I'm Stephanie.
Hi, I'm Diane.
And we play sisters in the new Disney film Encanto, coming to theaters this November 24th. We are very excited to share this film with you. Today we're going to be making
Arepas con queso!
We're going to be competing to see whose are better. They're going to be mine.
Mine.
We're going to be judged by Vanessa from Pero Like. Let's party! We clearly wore the right sleeves for this.
Yep, yeah, we did.
So,
Oh, you put the water in first?
I'm just doing
Okay.
what feels natural and instinctual to me.
Organic.
And since I am Colombian and you are too, these are going to be great because
That's
it's in our blood.
That's right. I remember my mother, I think, doing this with her hands, just
Really?
her bare hands. Yeah, the whole process,
Why
just
don't
her
you
bare.
just dip in there?
My mom didn't wear these sleeves.
My dad makes these almost every Christmas, and they're delicious. You know, and they're only like 4 inches around, right? So you feel like, oh, well, I've only had one arepa, and then
Right.
by the time you're done,
You become an arepa.
Okay, this is looking really good.
Wow, this is great.
I mean, this is very simple ingredients, right? This is cornmeal, salt, water. Well, in the film, almost every character has magical powers, right?
Right.
You've got a magical power. My character doesn't. It's fine. It's really fine. It's fine. It's not a big deal. It's
But she
fine.
finds her
Yeah,
magic.
sure. And my mom in the film,
Our mother.
her magical power is healing people through the power of food, which I think is such a beautiful metaphor
beautiful?
because so many people have memories around food, traditions around food. I am starting to sweat a little bit. Okay, so the next step is you take out your masa
Eso.
and you put it on your counter. You shape it into a 8-inch log.
This is where your hands come in. Wow,
Sure,
wow,
yeah.
you're measuring.
I brought my own ruler.
Wait till my parents see me making arepas with a ruler. 'Cause we've come a long way, you guys. So you make it with like a log. Now, do I cut it with the I think I'm gonna cut it with the ruler. Okay. You know, I called my mother before
Before we
I
did
came
this.
on this show.
What'd she say?
She said that my dad would make them. She said my dad would make them, and they would make a bunch in the beginning of the week, and then at the end of the week, on the weekend, right, they would get all the leftovers from the week, so like beans and rice and chicharrón and chorizo and whatever, what have you, and they would make a big calentado, right, and then they would have it with a little arepa.
Oh, that sounds
Isn't
so
cute?
nice. Okay, so now Diane's beating me.
Sorry,
obviously.
okay, we'll
no,
go.
It's fine.
No, we'll
It's a
go together.
competition. It's a competition.
But like,
So just go ahead.
all right, you know what? I'm just gonna make all my bolitas, and then we go to the next step. This is my first time making it, by the way.
Is it really?
Yeah. Is it yours?
No. You put like a hefty
get the cheese in
tablespoon
there.
of cheese in there, right? Like personally, I would probably put this entire thing of cheese in here if I could fit it in, but I can't.
Right here, boom. Oh no,
No, it looks
no.
pretty
Oh
good.
gosh. Oh dear.
You're doing great.
Thanks.
It's good to encourage other people when they're cooking dishes for the first time. You don't want people to get in their heads
Wow.
and not be able to make things because they see somebody else doing really well.
Wait, so you do this? Oh, okay. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Aha.
Yeah, like that.
I feel like I almost should have mushed this arepa mix a little better.
It looks good.
Yeah, but I'm just wondering, would had. Wow, you're frying yours already. Okay, here we go.
It's fine. It's not.
It's because I waited for you. I'm not waiting for you anymore. I'm just gonna go ahead.
You can pan fry, you can deep fry, I guess, if you really want to go for it.
There's also like those air fryers.
Air frying an arepa is the most Gen Z possible thing ever.
It's very Gen Z.
It's-
I remember a lot of this, but it's not working for me.
It's like that, like this, and then like patting it like you pat it like you would pat like a little baby's butt.
Oh,
Yeah,
little baby.
little baby butt.
little baby butt.
And then you fry them roughly 3.5, 4 minutes on each side.
Oh my God, I forgot this part. Shite. Oh, can I say that? Sorry.
We're also making toppings for these. I'm gonna make an avocado mash.
And I'm gonna make a kale chorizo. My parents would be like, ¿Qué es kale?
¿Qué es kale?
¿Qué es kale?
¿Pero qué es eso? What do you think the key to a good arepa is?
Amor. I'm serious.
Amor. I'm laughing because I was gonna say queso. Like,
Well, you're right.
yeah.
I think that anything made with love is like gonna be better. And it's such an easy dish, and it's also not expensive,
No.
right? None of this is expensive. Like anybody can make it. In a pinch, you can have it with anything. You can have it with something salty, you can have it with something sweet. Like you can make chocolatico with this. You dip this in the chocolate. Oh my goodness, so freaking good.
They're not expensive to make, so when there is a Gen Z arepa restaurant that opens and they're charging $12 per arepa,
Don't do it.
don't do it.
Don't go.
Buy them.
Wow, mine are gonna be a little on the greasy side.
Let's keep going and do our toppings. So now we're making our toppings. Mine is
Yes.
an avocado mash. Avocado, cilantro, crushed red pepper, lime, and then salt.
So oil first, of course, because we're gonna have to saute our stuff. I'm just gonna start. Garlic, you need garlic. Don't wanna touch it, because then your hands smell like garlic all day. Wow.
That smells good immediately.
Yeah, I know. I was worried that my deodorant was gonna make this shirt smell funky, and no.
No, that's gonna be the garlic, 100%.
They're gonna have to give me this shirt now.
This looks like something I would eat.
Do you like
by
cooking?
itself.
Do you like cooking kale in like this? In like
I
like
do.
this?
I like a kale saute. I like a kale saute and a little olive oil, maybe a little ghee.
What's ghee?
You don't know what ghee is?
No.
Oh my God, ghee is clarified butter. It's
Oh.
so good.
Okay, clarified butter.
It's really delicious. I like a little bit of avocado chunk in the mash. You know what I mean? Like I don't like guacamole when you get it and it's like thin baby food.
I love chorizo.
do too.
I eat way too much chorizo though.
That's
But I
not
love
really
it.
possible,
There's
is
not
it?
enough chorizo in the world.
When you taste your food, do you taste it and then like keep mixing it with the same spoon?
You know what? I don't taste my food. It's a surprise for everyone.
Not
Must
gonna
taste
lie,
great.
I feel like you might win based on the topping, which I'm not sure is fair, but I'm gonna let you have it.
No, but I think with arepas, it's the arepa that
Yeah.
counts. If the arepa is not there,
We'll see what Vanessa thinks.
adding the rest,
What else? Oh, that's right, you have more parts.
I got,
Should I just stand here and eat my topping?
yeah, just eat your topping. This is salt, apple cider vinegar.
Ooh.
Whoa, here we go. And miel de abeja, a little
Honey.
honey. This is what's gonna make it sweet, obviously, because this is a sweet
Oh my
kale
God,
chorizo.
that's good.
That's awesome. And I love the little shaved garlic like that.
Yeah, did you do that? Did you cut your garlic?
Yeah, I learned in
like paper
in
thin
prison.
like that? That's
Yeah.
really good.
With the Italian, the Italians taught me. This is real with a nice little razor, sharp, thin. Shout out to Goodfellas.
Wow.
Ray Liotta, what up?
I feel like we're ready.
We're ready.
Let's plate. They came out so cute.
Awesome.
I'm really proud of myself. I feel like our families would be proud of us,
Oh, absolutely.
right?
Yeah, my dad can't believe it. Can't believe it.
Hey, that's pretty good. That looks pretty good. Your parents do that?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, mine too.
That's where my sense of like wanting to be perfect comes from.
Very much like your character in the
Very
film.
much like my character.
Yeah.
Wow.
Ready for judging.
Wait, is that how?
Vanessa, come in here before Diane replates. Hurry up.
Was it supposed to be plated
You eat
like
with
that?
your eyes. Based on how they look alone, I'm not gonna lie, I would house that entire plate. That looks absolutely delicious to me.
I would eat this first, and then
Fancy
I would
arepa.
move on to my main dish. You know what I mean?
Yeah. I can see that. I mean, if we were at an arepa restaurant and both of these came to the table, I would not be mad at either one.
No, me neither.
Vanessa!
Hello. How are you guys?
We're
I am
very excited.
So am I. I haven't had breakfast.
All right.
They both look good.
Okay.
This one looks really fancy. Se ve como un, desayuno bueno. I'm just gonna go for it. Mmm. Ooh, I like the cheese.
Okay.
Con el guacamole está. Ahora what is this?
It's sweet kale and chorizo.
Ooh.
That looks so good. I'm not gonna lie. It
Con
looks
ganas,
so
con
good.
So first impressions, I love the fanciness of this one. But this flavor is like really intense and I love that. It's so different. Pero my favorite one has to be this one.
Hey!
What?
It's just like, I don't know, it feels more like una arepa.
Those arepas are bomb. Can I go for it?
Yeah. We need them.
You guys killed it.
Thank you. We are excited for you guys to see Arepas con Queso on the big screen in Encanto this November 24th. We're so excited to share our movie and our culture with you. We can't wait.
Hope you love it.
Oh, yes!